Okay, I've got what I believe to be some 20 gauge. And we're going to do a little tack weld. And let's see, get it straightened up here. You know, tack it up and then do a T-joint, fillet weld. First time tacking with the MIG. Let's see what happens. Whoop! That happened. Might have done something. Okay. If we tack this side, will it blend? Looky there. We've got a tack. Alright. Now let's try to weld this fillet in and see what happens. Apparently you want to do a push motion. Let's give it a try. Not the best looking weld I ever did, not the worst. Looks like my stick out was a bit long. And yeah, other than that, we'll try it again. Wrap this around over my shoulder maybe. Try to get these sparks on my bare legs and keep it in tight. Let's do, oh, there we go. Yeah, that's better for the camera. I'll do that a little bit and see how that looks. Did it blow through? No, it didn't even blow through. It was definitely penetrating. Yeah. That's good penetration. And we'll do one more final third pass here, see if I can start off where I stopped. Well, yeah, I didn't weld it to the table, close, but pretty nice, I think, for a first time ever welding MIG. Look at that. Hey, third bead's a charm. I don't mind it one bit. Sweet. You know, just for S&Gs, let's try to weld the back all in one go. We'll see how it goes. Maybe undo that warpage we introduced as well. Keep it in tight. Let's keep it tight. Well, did I burn through? I don't think so. I'm pretty friggin' happy with that weld. I'm not too sad about that weld at all. Yeah. Yeah. It looks real nice, in my untrained opinion. Pretty happy with it. Yeah. Very nice. Try some thicker stuff later on.